Dear students, today let's learn colors. You know very well the colors, different colors you have seen around you. Today we'll teach you a story about colors. Saba's friends came to her home on Eid day. They were playing together. Saba's mother gave them 4 balloons. Nida took the red balloon. Hira took the green balloon. Rida took the blue balloon. Saba got the yellow balloon. They played together. They played happily with all the balloons.
Balloons are red, balloons are blue, balloons are green and yellow too. Balloons are red, balloons are blue, balloons are green and yellow.